Attention and bow. So this is the week number 7 and 8 review video for basic class. So everything we're going to go through is actually on the test. You want to practice through this and get really good so during testing week you'll be totally ready to go. So let's start with star block set. So attention and bow. Horse riding stance, loud yell. So remember, star block set looks like this. My arm comes across in front. This is called chamber. Chamber is like starting position. Hand goes all the way up and does a high block. Then it goes to the side, chamber and inside block. Chamber, you can just go by the shoulder and down block. Chamber, you can reach by your other hand, outside block. Chamber, push, which is push block. Let's try that again. So take that hand, make a fist, reach it in front. We say chamber, high, chamber, inside, chamber, down, chamber, outside, chamber, push. Let's try the other hand. Make that fist, reach it across. We say chamber, high, chamber, inside, chamber, down, chamber, outside, chamber, push. Let's do one more time with each arm together. So take that hand, make that tight fist, reach across. We say chamber, high, chamber, inside, chamber, down, chamber, outside, chamber, push. And the other hand, make that fist, reach across. We say chamber, high, chamber, inside, chamber, down, chamber, outside, chamber, push. Attention and bow. I would pause the video and then practice that on your own several times with each arm until you have it completely memorized. On the test, we'll know if it passes if you have the whole thing memorized. Plus, you can call all the words out by memory. And then also, each technique's got to have power and energy. Okay, the second thing on the test is the kicking skills. So we're going to do the inside and outside crescent kick and the inside and outside X kicks. So Mr. Lemke will be my partner here in a moment. And so the crescent kicks, my leg is going to start in the back. It's going to do a whole circle, but it's got to end in the back. There's one that goes this direction, and then there's one that goes the other direction. Let's grab the speed paper. It's a little easier to see against that. So Mr. Lemke is my partner. He's got it in front. So if I've got my left leg forward, it's my right leg is going to kick. I'm going to hit with the blade edge on each kick. So it's going to circle in, and then it sets down in the back. It's also going to circle out and set down on the back. You got to bring it up a teeny bit. So let's do a couple together. So ready? 1, go inside. And when you're done, go outside. 2, go inside. And when you're done, go outside. 3, inside and outside. 4, inside and outside. One more time. 5, inside and outside. So at home, if you have something like a speed paper or a piece of cardboard or a magazine or something you can practice on, practice both the right leg, also practice the left leg. And like I mentioned, the key points are it's got to start in the back, it's got to end in the back, it's got to make a nice circle. The high point should be in the middle. We should always hit with the blade edge, okay? The other two kicks are the inside and outside X kicks. So a little different than the crescent. So if he holds the target flat, the leg's going to start in the back, but this time it's going to end in the front. One of the X kicks goes over this way. The other X kick goes over from the other side. Kind of like I was going to hit one shoulder or the other. So let's take that back leg. It's going to go over and down. Set down in front, and when you're all done, you've got to step back. Let me try that one again. Inside X kick, and then when it's done, you got to step back. The same leg can go over the other way. That's called outside X kick. Let me show you one more time. That's going to go the other way. Just like that. When it hits the paper, usually you hit with the back of the heel. Let's do a couple together. So ready? 1, inside. Then step back and outside. Ready? 2, inside. Step back and outside. Ready? 3, inside. And then step back and outside. 2 more. 4, inside. Followed by outside. The last time together, 5, inside. And then step back and outside. Awesome. Attention, back. Thanks, Mr. Lemke. So that's the inside and outside X kick. So I would pause the video and do maybe 5 more with each leg, 5 inside, 5 outside. Make sure you practice right leg and the left leg. Okay, lastly, we got to practice our self-defense. Say, Mr. Lemke, be my attacker. So we're doing finding the weakness. So, okay, he's got me. He's going to grab me by the wrist, okay? Use your words first. We say stop, let go, leave me alone. Then I've got to distract him. So kick into the knee, stomp under the foot, knee into the groin. Now he's distracted. Hands go tight together. Step back over the shoulder to get out. And then let's finish up. I could turn so my hips face towards his knee, kick towards the knee, and then run. Obviously in practice, we don't actually hit our partner in the knees and the shins. If it was a real stranger, we hit as hard as we could. So he's got me by the wrist. Let's do it together. We say, stop, let go, leave me alone. Kick, stomp, knee, hands together, step back, over the shoulder, turn so your hips are facing towards his knee, kick with your heel, and then run. One more time together on this one, ready? So we say, stop, let go, leave me alone. Kick, stomp, knee, hands together, step back, over the shoulder, turn those hips, hit with your heel, run fast as you could. So that's against a double wrist grab. So I would pause the video, practice that maybe 5 more times with mom or dad when they can practice grabbing. The other one is against a single wrist grab. Now the grab can be this way, or with the other hand, or with the original one this way, or upside down. So it's like, it doesn't matter how he grabs me, I'm gonna look for where the space is between the thumbs and the fingers. So that's where I'm gonna pull down. So my steps will be make a fist, grab a fist, and then pull the thinner part of my wrist out of that weakness. So if it was this one, the weakness is here, so I'm gonna pull it through this way. Or if it was, upside down, the weakness is here, like he's pulling me away. Or maybe just this way. Now the weakness is on this side, and I'm pulling it through this way. So I've got to look to see where is that weakness. Obviously in real life you wouldn't know. You'd have to figure it out right away so you can get out. So let's do it a couple times. Let's do just the normal standard kind of wrist grab. So we say, stop, let go, leave me alone. Kick to the knee, stomp to the foot, punch in the groin, boom. Make a fist, grab it, pull through the weakness, and then finish with a kick, then run fast as you could. What if that one was upside down, like you're pulling me away into your car? So stop, let go, leave me alone, kick in the knee, stomp on the foot, punch in the groin, make a fist, grab the fist, pull it through the weakness, kick into the knee, and run. Or how about across the body? So stop, let go, leave me alone, kick, stomp, punch into the groin, make a fist, grab it, here's the weakness, pull it through, kick into the knee, and then run. So awesome, thanks Mr. Lemke. I would pause the video again and practice that against any of those wrist grabs, see if you can find how to get out. So this is all the material we'll be reviewing in week 7 and 8. And like I said, you want to practice it really good so you can be ready for your test in week 9. Attention and bow.